Ta-da! Hello, loves! Kakanta ulit ako. Alam mo naman siguro ang kanta na to. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Darling, you can count on me in the sunrise of the sea. Until then, I'll always be devoted to you. I'll be yours through endless time. I'll adore your charms of mine. Guess by now you know that I'm devoted to you. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never leave you, so goodbye.